I'm Michael Dominic, and today I'm making rigatoni with garlicky spinach and buttered pistachios. It's fresh, buttery, nutty, and it's going to knock your socks off. With this one, I recommend cooking the sauce at the same time as you're making your pasta. But if you don't feel comfortable with that, make the sauce right before you make the pasta.
These are our ingredients. 12 ounces of rigatoni, or another short pasta, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, cubed, 1/2 of a cup of roasted salted pistachios, 4 or 5 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of drained capers, grated Grana Padano or Parmesan cheese for serving. Also 12 ounces of spinach. I forgot to hold that up. You are going to want to break or chop your pistachios. I chose to do it this way for some reason, but it worked. Salt your boiling pasta water well. Cook your rigatoni to al dente as directed on the package. Now, let's start the sauce. Add your butter to the pan over medium-low heat. Once the butter starts sizzling, add the pistachios, garlic, and capers, and keep stirring for about 1 minute. Don't let that garlic burn. Then add the spinach in 1 handful at a time. Season with a bit of salt and pepper. Keep tossing so that spinach wilts. When your pasta is ready, dump it right into the sauce. Add about 1/2 cup of the pasta water that you saved and stir well over low heat. And then it's ready. Plate and serve. Lovely. And now for the final test. Success! If you like this video and would like me to make more, like, subscribe, and comment, and maybe I will. I'm not promising anything.